Hi friends, welcome to GaganTech. This video is for kids. The Mouse and the Lion. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in the dense Amazon rainforest. While he was sleeping by resting his big hand on his paws, a little mouse unexpectedly crossed by and ran across the lion's nose in hats. This wake up the lion, and he laid his huge paw angrily on the tiny mouse to kill her. The poor mouse begged the lion to spare her this time, and she would pay him back on some other day. Hearing this, the lion was amused and wondered. How could such a tiny creature help him? But he was in a good mood, and in his generosity, he finally let the mouse go. A few days later, a hunter set a trap for the lion while the big animal was skulking for prey in the forest. Catch in the toils of the hunter's net. The lion found it difficult to free himself and roared loudly in anger. As the mouse was passing by, she heard the roar and found the lion struggling hard to free himself from the hunter's net. The little creature quickly ran towards the lion's trap that bound him, and she gnawed the net with her sharp teeth until the net tore apart. Slowly she made a big hole in the net, and soon the lion was able to free himself from the hunter's trap. The lion thanked the little mouse for her help, and the mouse reminded him that she had finally repaid the lion for sparing her life before. Thereafter, the lion and the mouse became good friends and lived happily in the forest. Moral of this story is: love and kindness are never wasted. You can accomplish by kindness which you cannot be forced. Thank you.